Hey guys, welcome back to the JMK Garage. So a few months back, shortly after I got the Harley Dyna, started doing some mods, and I did an initial test run with a GoPro GPS to see how fast the bike accelerated. I believe it was from 50 to 130 in third gear, and then from 60 to 170 in fourth gear. Got those numbers down. I was hoping to get some improved numbers with the DynoJet PowerVision 3, I think it was. But as you saw in that video, if you did see, the PowerVision 3 would not flash the ECU in that year of Dyna. So I had returned it. I got the PowerVision PV-1B. It's in there now. It's tuned. I've since got Tune 1 exhaust. I have not done the auto tune on this yet, just because I haven't bought the additional add-on. But bike is running good and feels good. So I thought I'd finally use the GPS on the GoPro to do some comparison, just for my own peace of mind, to feel better about the investments I've made on modifying the bike. So as you'll see, looks better than the results I got on my Honda Shadow. Did all that work to that bike, and it was no faster than before. You'll see shortly here the improvements that this has made on the bike.